It's a different ball game altogether because it's a once-off game, played over 2 legs though, and anything can happen. Especially you playing at home make you so stronger. And I know that you're a proud nation, and I'm sure that the team would want to do well against us.
Now, what kind of questions below?
Those are all from the certain positive news. Coach, playing in the artificial turf, is there going to be having effect on the players and use in playing in the artificial turf?
We trained on artificial turf coming in. Our technical center also has the artificial turf, but yours is better than ours. So yes, it's nice. We trained here yesterday and the conditions are good. We hope we're going to give everybody coming out here a good game of football. And the facilities is in good shape, and I can also see that you are working on yours. It's good that you encourage us and motivate us also to do the same, because we haven't played in Namibia since 2020. The last time we played in Namibia was 2020. We'll also be going to Dobson in South Africa, our second home, as we may say, because of the state of our facilities are not yet where it's supposed to be. So we are ready for the challenge. We know what is expected of us, and we're just glad to be here. And like I said, we have a beautiful country.
Thank you, Coach Fadel, the media officer of the FA. Maybe my questions can be two forms. First and foremost, your victory during the COSAFA, do you think that is a moral boost as far as your team is concerned? And also, I've researched that you have mixed experience with youth. The motive behind it, considering that these are qualifiers?
Yeah, of course, we have some injuries to some key players, and also omissions because of circumstances beyond our control, and hence we prompted to bring in the youngsters. But it's not youngsters that are just youngsters for the sake of bringing them in. They have the quality, and I believe that they have the quality to break into the team and become seasonal players, just like the ones that are not here. I think there's a good mixture between youth and experience. If you look at the captain sitting next to me, over 60, 70 caps playing for Namibia. So we don't come here with a team that hasn't been here, that hasn't done that. And we're not underestimating the opponent. With all due respect to the opponent, this is our best team that we could have selected with the omissions that we don't have, with the players that we don't have due to injuries and various other factors. So we came here with a mission, and the mission is to qualify for the next round.
Maybe as well, does that imply that it's you are going all out for the match? Are you searching for a win or a draw and make you comfortable?
We're not looking to the COSAFA result. And I told them that we should not underestimate the Swati, because in that game and the games before that against South Africa they played, and the one against Comoros, you can see this is the team that has been growing, and the work that your FA has put in is tremendous, and we're wary of that. So we're coming here to win. We're not coming here to sit back and wait for Eswatini to roll over us and all these things, or come and defend. No, we're a team that, like I said, we are proud of what we do, and we believe in our ability. And but we're also cognizant of what you have as a team. We also did our research on you, and we also want to plan accordingly. But most importantly, we want to play to our style. We want to play to our strengths and limit our weaknesses that we have, because we all do have weaknesses.
Because my other question would be, considering that you are highly ranked compared to Eswatini, 122, Eswatini 182, is that not going to have an effect maybe on players to take into our paying and going around the team and then take it for granted, especially on your players?
I don't think so. What I've seen in training, I don't think so. They know that they still need to be at their best to beat Eswatini. The world rankings, football rankings, doesn't really play a role. And like I said, we haven't lost to Eswatini, but it doesn't mean anything. And I'm getting away from that notion to say that we haven't beaten, because if you haven't beaten them, there's also a first time. There's always a first time for you to get beaten. So we are fully, we put our armor up, and we are fully aware of what we are facing. And I also want you to talk to my captain.
Captain, how are you? The coach has already given us permission to do so.
Yes, go ahead.
So you're one of the experienced players. How is your mood in the camp? How are the youngsters coping? And if you can remember the last game, what are you looking forward to playing against Eswatini?
Basically, everybody is very optimistic. We are very excited to face Eswatini once again. Like my coach has previously mentioned, we are not underestimating them, and the mood is very high. The youngsters are also looking forward to also have their first cap in terms of having field time. But overall, everything is going good so far, and we are really looking forward to playing tomorrow's match.
This is around again in Eswatini. How is your stay and how is the environment?
The hospitality is good. The environment is a little bit different, but all is well. All is well so far. Yeah.
What can you say to the local fans here, considering looking at the feature itself?
I'd just like to urge everybody to come out in numbers. Let's support women football. Let us grow women football, and through your support, that is the way we can grow the football both locally and also on an international scale.
Any player that you remember from the previous encounter that was giving you tough time from the locals?
I know the faces, but a few faces, but I don't remember the names. But there are a couple of them that if I see them, I'll remember them.